Alright, problem I have is this Pella door. This doorknob will not allow this lock to go all the way in. It gets stuck. So that's it engaged. Now I'm going to try to disengage it. You can see it only gets so far, and that's not enough clearance for the door to open. So I need to know how to fix that. If anyone knows, please let me know. And the door is not locked. You see that what happens is usually you turn this up so to engage this lock, and then this little dude down here locks the door, so you can't disengage the lock. I'm gonna unlock it. Now you can disengage the lock. It's supposed to go all the way in. What gives? If anyone knows, let me know. Thank you.